Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can recover your Hubspot account. So you have an Hubspot account, you use that account for a lot of different things. Now you have lost the password to that account, or you have forgotten the password to that account, and you have lost the access to that account. So you want to recover that account but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to recover your Hubspot account in very easy way. Just follow the simple steps I do and you'll do it in no time. So, the first thing you want to do in order to recover your Hubspot account is open your browser and go to hubspot.com. Once you go to hubspot.com, you land on an interface like this. Now here what you want to do is tap on the login option on the top right corner. Once you tap on the login button, you land on the login interface of Hubspot. Now here, to recover your account, what you need to do is tap on forgot my password option, and once you tap on the forgot my password option, you'll be asked to enter the email address that you used to create your Hubspot account. So go ahead and enter the email address that you used to create your Hubspot account. Once you enter the email address that you used to create your Hubspot account, tap on reset your password option. Once you tap on the reset your password option, what Hubspot will do is they will send an email to the email address that you've used to create a Hubspot account. So now what you need to do is go to that email. Once you go to that email, what you'll need to do is look for an email from Hubspot which will be labeled as reset your Hubspot password. So tap on that email and open that email. Once you tap on that email, tap on reset your password button inside the email. Once you tap on the reset your password button, you'll be redirected to a new web page. Here you'll have an option to create a new password for your Hubspot account. So go ahead and create a new password for your Hubspot account. Once you create a new password for your Hubspot account, what you want to do is tap on the save button. So once you reset a password, you'll straight be redirected to your account, which means you have successfully recovered your account. So those are the simple steps in order to recover your Hubspot account. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.